In compound angle formulae, we have discussed two problems. So under that A, B, C. So sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, sin 75, cos 75 and tan 75. We have proved all these standard angles. Of course, these are also standard angles, and I have given a table how to remember that. If A plus B is equal to 90 degree, then sin A is equal to cos B and tan A is equal to cot B. Let us take the third one. Find the trigonometric ratios of (105 degree). Find the trigonometric ratios of 105 degree. Under that, number A, sin 105 degree. See, 105 can be written as 60 plus 45. 60 degree plus 45 degree is 105 degree only. This is of the form sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y means sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. That is sin 60 into cos 45 plus cos 60 into sin 45. What is sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. So now 2 root 2 as the LCM. 2 root 2 as the LCM, root 3 plus 1. So therefore, sin of 105 degree, sin of 105 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1. So we have proved sin 75 degree, no? 105 is 90 plus 15 you can write. See this, 105 degree can be written as 90 plus 15. 90 plus 15 means 90 plus theta. It lies in the second quadrant. Okay. So this is sin. Sin changes to cos 15 degree. So cos 15 degree is equal to sin 75 degree, right? So sin 105 degree can also be written as cos 15 degree. Then cos 105 degree, this can be written as cos of 60 plus 45. This is of the form cos of A plus B. Cos of x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Sin x into sin y. Okay. Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. Both are equal to 1 by 2. Cos 45 and sin 45 both are 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2 as the LCM means 1 minus root 3. So that cos of 105 degree can be written as, cos of 105 can be written as 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Nothing but minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So cos 105 can be written as cos of 90 plus 15 degree, no? Isn't it? Second quadrant means cos theta is negative. So cos changes to sin 15 degree. What is sin 15 degree? It is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, you know. Minus of this means 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. This is another method. Okay, you can follow this. Of course, you should remember sin 15 degree. Otherwise, 60 and 45 are standard angles, you know. So, this is better. 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Tan of 105 degree. 105 can be written as 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45. We have the formula tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y can be written as tan x plus tan y. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is equal to tan of x plus y, this is of the form tan 60 plus tan 45 degree divided by 1 minus tan 60 degree into tan 45 degree. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3. Tan 45 is 1 divided by 1 minus root 3 into 1. So 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3. Let us simplify this one by writing the conjugate of the denominator. 1 minus root 3 we have, you know. I just take multiply and divide by 1 plus root 3. Look at the denominator. A minus b into a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. Square and the square root gets cancelled. So this is root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. This is plus, you know. So root 3 plus 1 the whole square. Sorry. This is plus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 means root 3 plus 1 the whole square. Expand this. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 1 minus 3. Here square and the square root gets cancelled. 4. 3 plus 1 means 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by minus 2. I just take 2 common. If I take 2 common, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We have left with minus of 2 plus root 3. Minus of 2 plus root 3. So tan 105 degree is equal to minus of 2 plus root 3. See, you can follow this also in simple. So 105 can be written as 90 plus 15. 90 degree means a trigonometric function changes. By using allied angle concept, so tan changes to cot. So minus cot theta. Tan 15 degree is equal to cot 75 degree. Cot 75 degree is what? 2 plus root 3. So minus of 2 plus root 3. So tan 15 degree is minus of 2 plus root 3. So make sure that 15 degree and 75 degree are standard angle. You need to remember. So if you could remember that, you can follow this method in 1 mark section. If it is more than 2 or more than 2, follow this method only. Okay. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. we have the formula tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Of course, xy is less than 1. X is pi by 4, y is theta. Therefore, I just take the left hand side to prove the RHS. Consider the left hand side. X is pi by 4. Y is theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. We know that tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So therefore, tan of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan theta means tan theta. Similarly, we can prove this. This is a result. You need to remember this. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. We make use of this result oftenly. So please try to remember these two. So the proof is similar to this one only. So we make use of tan of x minus y formula. Okay. For all angles A and B, prove that sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equals sin square A minus sin square B. This is also same as cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A. So let us take the left hand side. This is a very important identity actually. You are supposed to remember these. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B is also equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Consider the left hand side. Let us prove the RHS. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Okay. What is the sin of x plus y? Sin of x plus y formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B means sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is of the form A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. A is what? sin A cos B. A square means sin A cos B the whole square minus B is what? Cos A sin B. This is just like A. B. A square minus B square I have written. This is of the form AB whole power m. A power m into B power m, sin A whole square, sin square A, cos B the whole square, cos square B, minus cos square A into sin square B. Look at the first case. We want the answer in terms of sin square A minus sin square B. So, we need to eliminate cos square B here, sin square B. We have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, So, we can arrange sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, or else cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so sin square A in place of cos square B, 1 minus sin square B minus cos square, here I need to eliminate cos square A actually. Sin square A minus sin square B we want, cos square A I need to eliminate. So in place of cos square A, 1 minus sin square A I'll write, into sin square B we have, multiply sin square A into 1 sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B minus 1 into sin square B means sin square B, minus into minus plus sin square A into sin square B, sin square A into sin square B. This is minus sin square A sin square B plus sin square A sin square B gets cancelled. Now we are left with sin square A minus sin square B. This is RHS. Okay. The other part you are supposed to prove. Let us consider the equation 1. Sin square A, cos sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is what actually? I just take equation A. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. Cos square A into sin square B we have, So in this one, I want the answer in terms of cos. So you need to eliminate the sin square A, here sin square B. We have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, So in place of sin square A, 1 minus cos square A I'll write, into cos square B as it is, minus cos square A as it is, in place of sin square B, 1 minus cos square B I'll write, 1 minus cos square B, multiply 1 into cos square B, minus cos square A into cos square B, minus 1 into cos square A, minus of minus plus cos square A into cos square B. This is plus and this is minus, gets cancelled. Therefore, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B can also be written as cos square B minus cos square A, cos square B minus cos square A. So in terms of side means sin square A minus sin square B. So again another important identity, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, and the other case cos square b minus sin square a. Seventh problem, for all the angles a and b, prove that cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, and the second case cos square b minus sin square a. Let us prove this by considering left hand side. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. What is cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Look at this, it is of the form a minus b. So a minus b into a plus b, it is of the form which is a square minus b square. A is what? Cos a cos b. A square means square of this, minus b square means sin a sin b the whole square. Expand this, ab whole power m means a power m into b power m, that is cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. This is some equation 1. Now for the first case we have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, you know. So sin square theta can be arranged as 1 minus cos square theta, and even cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. In the first case I want cos square a, I don't want cos square b, you know, I need to eliminate cos square b. And in the second term sin square a we need to eliminate. So this can be written as cos square a. Cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b minus sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a into sin square b. Now multiply cos square a into 1 cos square a minus cos square a into sin square b minus 1 into sin square b minus of minus plus sin square a into sin square b. This is positive, sorry, cos square a into sin square b, this is actually cos square a into sin square b, whereas this is minus cos square a sin square b. Now we are left with cos square a minus sin square b. This is the first case actually, cos square a minus sin square b. First case, that is the RHS. For the second part, to prove the second part, again cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to, look at the equation 1, cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. we need to prove this as cos square b minus sin square a. That means we don't want cos square a, and the second one sin square b we need to eliminate. So we are going to prove cos square b minus sin square a. No? So in place of cos square a, 1 minus sin square a I'll write into cos square b as it is minus sin square a into 1 minus cos square b. Now multiply 1 into cos square b minus sin square a into cos square b minus sin square a into 1 sin square a minus of minus plus sin square a into cos square b. This is positive, this is negative, gets cancelled. So we are left with cos square b minus sin square a. So that is the RHS. Okay. Therefore, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b can also be written as cos square b minus cos square a. So these are the important identities you are supposed to remember. Okay. Next, 8th one, worked example. Find the value of tan pi by 8. It's a very good question. Of course, you are supposed to remember the value. So MCQs nalli very value ne kelidare. Let x is equal to pi by 8. Then what happens to 2x? 2 into pi by 8, which is pi by 4. 2x will be pi by 4. We know that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 2 tan x means pi by 8, 2x means pi by 4 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. We know that the tan pi by 4 is 1, you know. Okay. So let us cross multiply 1 into 1 minus tan square pi by 8 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8. To solve this, in fact it is a quadratic equation. To solve this, let us take tan pi by 8 as some new variable. Let me take it as y. So then this becomes 1 minus y is tan pi by 8. Tan square pi by 8 is y square is equal to 2y. That is, shift these to the other side, y square plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in y. We have the Sridhara's formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, you know. See this, a is 1, b is 2, c is minus 1. See, b is 2 minus 2 plus or minus root of b square, that means 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 1, correct, you know, divided by 2a, a is again 1, so b is 2, thus becomes minus of minus plus 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, that is y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4, that is 8, root 8 divided by 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 4, we know that root 4 means 2. So plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. If I take 2 common, minus 1 plus or minus root 2 divided by 8. So 2 gets cancelled, so that y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Here we have two values, minus 1 plus root 2 and minus 1 minus root 2. Correct, Clearly, pi by 8 is 22.5 degree. Pi by 8, 22.5 degree lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. So that means y should be positive. Y is positive. Y is positive. Y cannot be negative. So y is equal to minus 1 plus root 2, but not, y cannot be minus 1 minus root 2. Since it is y, pi by 8 lies in the first quadrant, Therefore, tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So you need to remember this value. It is appeared in MCQs, of course. Tan of 13 pi by 12. Tan of 13 pi by 12. So tan pi by 8 we worked out, that is in the miscellaneous worked question. This is a worked problem. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. See, multiple of 12, nearest to 13 is 12 only. So that 12 pi plus pi, I'll write, whole divided by 12. Separate this. We can write tan 13 pi by 12 as tan 13 pi by 12 as 12 pi plus pi divided by 12, which is nothing but tan of pi plus pi by 12. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. In the third quadrant, as per ASTC rule, so it is tan theta. Tan of 180 plus theta means tan theta. So now pi by 12 can be written as, observe this, pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Take the LCM. Okay. So 45 degree minus 30 degree, 15 degree, So pi divided by 12, 180 divided by 12 is 15. Now this is of the form tan of A minus B. What is tan of A minus B actually? Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B, or else tan of x minus y you can write, no problem. 1 plus tan A into tan B. So this is equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 6 whole divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan pi by 6. Tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 60 degree is, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Pi by 6 is 30 degree. 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. Now take the LCM, root 3 as the LCM. 1 into root 3. Root 3 minus 1 divided by, here also, root 3 plus 1. This gets cancelled. So tan 13 pi by 12, tan 13 pi by 12 is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. You can simplify further thus as by writing the conjugate of the denominator. Tan 13 pi by 12 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 we have, So I just multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1. Multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1. Numerator is of the form a minus b the whole square, and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Expand that is a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 3 minus 1. Square and the square root gets cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. If I take 2 common, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, tan of 13 pi by 12, tan of 13 pi by 12 is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Next, question number 10 is a very good question. Of course, a simple one. Find the value of cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. So in the North Zone 2015, Bangalore North Zone 2015, in 2 mark it is appear. Look at this. This is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So therefore, cos of pi by x into cos of pi by 4 minus y. Cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos of A. A means what? Pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 means 2 pi by 4. 45 plus 45, 90 degree, minus x minus y. Between these two, I'll take minus common. Cos of 90 minus theta. This is of the form cos of 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant. 90 degree means a trigonometric function changes. So, sin of x plus y. That is the value of this expression. Okay. Prove that sin of n plus 1 into x. It complete angle control. Sin of n plus 2 into x. I mean y actually. Plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into y. is equal to cos x. This is of the form sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. What is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? Is cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. So I just take the left hand side, that is cos of n plus 1 times x into cos of n plus 2 times y, cos A cos B, plus sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into y. Look at this. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is the left hand side, which is cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, which is cos of, this is actually x only, sorry, this is x only, this is x, this is also x. So it should be, observe this, see, this is the left hand side, cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x plus sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B means cos of A minus B. Here I just take x common, n plus 1 minus of this means minus n minus 2 plus n minus n gets cancelled. This is cos of x into minus 1, 1 minus 2 means cos of minus theta. Where does minus theta lies? Minus theta means it lies in the fourth quadrant. If I rotate along clockwise direction, the measurement is negative, As per ASTC rule, C stands for cos. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So that is the RHS we want. Okay, that is not y, actually x only. Okay. Find the values of the following. Under that, A. Cos 70 degree into cos 10 degree plus sin 70 degree into sin 10 degree. Please observe this, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A plus sin A sin B means cos of A minus B formula. So that is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree, which is 1 by 2. Another one, B. 7 pi by 12 sin 7 pi by 12 into cos pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 12 into sin pi by 4. This is of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, which is of the form sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. Look at this. Sin A cos B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B. Take the LCM. 12 as the LCM means 7 pi minus 3 pi. So that is 4 pi by 12. 7 minus 3 is 4 pi by 12. which is for 3 times 12, pi by 3. Pi by 3 means how much? Sin pi by 3 is sin 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2. See, tan 48 degree plus tan 12 degree divided by 1 minus tan 48 into tan 12. Observe this. This is of the form. This is of the form tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y is equal to tan of x plus y. Okay. So therefore, tan 48 plus tan 12 divided by 1 minus tan 48 into tan 12 is equal to x is 48, y is 12. Tan of 48 plus 12, which is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. Okay.